Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want a private server in Steal A Brainrot but you do not want to spend 79 Robux, this video is for you. First, open your browser and go to the Steal A Brainrot game page on Roblox. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on the Servers section. Here you will see the option to create a private server. But as you can see, it costs Robux. Instead of buying it, scroll down to the Other Servers section. You will see a sorting option here. Tap on the sorting filter. Change it from descending to ascending. Once you do this, Roblox will show you servers with the lowest number. Now look for servers that have only one player inside. Join that server quickly. If that one player leaves, you will have the server completely to yourself. Now you are basically playing in a private server without spending any Robux. You can also invite your friends to join you in that same server. This way you can enjoy the game privately for free. This method works perfectly in Steal A Brainrot and saves your Robux. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more smart Roblox tricks.